Bet mo ba magdo ng snowman? Go out the hills and play with kita na side anymore. Open sesame, anyari sa'yo na. Dati tayong super twins, but now I wish it's look mo na. Bet mo ba magdo ng snowman? Carry lang kung wish ng snowman.
Yan na Akio.
Carry bells.
Fairness, Candice ng Valor. Winner!
Correct! Alam mo ng wife soon! Wife soon catch. Ito naman ang mga Junakis ko. Bet mo.
Kembot na, iladlad na ang iyong kapa. Kembot na, gora na sa pagrampa.
Gay lingo or sword speak is a combination of elements or words from Filipino, English, Spanish languages, although some were created from the names of celebrities. It is popular and usually used in the Philippines by Becky Mons, considered as gay jejemons, and baklang babae, female heterosexuals who use gay lingo. Only a few heterosexuals speak those words. However, how aware are the teenagers of this generation about it?
A chanting song. Parang, di ba, ang tsaka, parang joke, or parang you're kidding, parang
Pangit. Mudra.
mother,
Mudra.
nanay,
Mudra. Nanay. Pak.
back, wings,
Pak you. Gora.
go,
G. Go. Let's go. Agamulak. Virginia Wilson.
gorgeous.
A. As in?
Anik.
Which means?
What?
Gay lingo, or as we know as gay speak, is a wonderful lingo, argot, or jargon in which Filipino gays use seemingly to either hide or cloak their intimate conversations with other gay men, or better yet, to prevent those so-called virgin ears of those people around them.
The second letter is?
B.
Which means?
Bekimon.
Historically, though, it is known as sword speak. It was a word coinage in the 1970s by Direct Jose Javier Reyes, a columnist named Nestor Torre. Mr. Reyes devoted himself a book which was entitled Sword Speak, but several writers and columnists like Ronald Baitan opines that the term sword these days has become anachronistic, thus making it improper to call the language of gay people as sword speak, referring instead to the term as what we call now as gay speak or gay lingo.
C for charot.
Which means?
Joke.
Consciously or unconsciously, even straight or heterosexuals have peppered their vocabulary with words traceable to gay speak. In 2004, there was a TV show in GMA network named, I think it was Out, which devoted a section to its show to gay speak, fleshing out different words na sinasabi ngayon ng mga gay people. And I think that show explained the context to a largely entertained and enlightened audience. So I think that's how people from outside the LGBT community understood what gay language is.
E for?
Dite.
Which means?
Dito.
Okay, based on observation, I think it is the women who uses the language more compared to men, since the women are more closer to gay people and they tend to use the said lingo, in their casual conversations. Women learn these lingos and basically use it on a daily basis, whereas compared to men, that they think that learning or even using the said lingo would lessen their masculinity or even defy their social status.
E for hechos.
Which means?
Kidding.
Yes, since the population of the LGBT is rapidly growing, people outside the community will somehow understand that this lingo and eventually try to learn and speak it as well. The different effects of this lingo will be seen a few years from now, and with media and other social networking applications adding knowledge to the gay lingo, people can somehow be confused as to what the real pronunciation or meaning of the word may be. gay lingo should be kept within the zone of the LGBT, but it will not be a hindrance to non-community members if they know how to use and speak the said lingo properly.
Junakis.
Is that something from Jumanji?
Anak. Echos.
Parang joke. Joke, di ba?
Epal, parang
Ganun, oo.
Hechos, some sort of Mexican god.
Kerry. Kaya lang. Ganun. Warla. Away. Shokatid. Kapatid. Warlog.
Tulog.
Karumba.
A kind of dance.
Pipay.
Chip.
Wow. Tom Jones.
Gutom.
Alma Moreno.
Alam ko.
In the top 15 is for the Philippines.
It is evident that gay lingo is already included in one's daily conversation with other people. As stated, gay lingo is not only used by the LGBT community, but others as well. It can be understood that the reason why we use gay lingo is that we don't discriminate the LGBT in our society. Like the language, we openly welcome new ideas and new vocabulary to our own. It may not be recognized by entirely everyone, but the idea of queerness is welcome.